Dolmar CT, latest repair. Big dogs, brand new dogs, stainless steel, 4.2 millimeter, all cleaned, full rebuild, new anti-vibe bushings to the rear handle. It has a chunk missing here, but it's nothing major. It was welded, so TIG welded here because was missing the inner one. Put too much stress on the case, so but yeah, let's hear it running. No more talking. I'll let this beast to do the talking. So okay, let me just I'll start it and yeah.